Understanding Tense Atmosphere, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a phrase that you might have come across in books, movies, or maybe even in everyday conversations: tense atmosphere. Understanding this phrase will not only enhance your English vocabulary but also help you describe situations more vividly. So, let's get started. The phrase, tense atmosphere, refers to a situation or environment filled with emotional strain and discomfort. It's when the air feels heavy with anticipation or anxiety, and it seems like something significant or unpleasant might happen at any moment. This tension can be caused by various factors, including conflict, fear, or uncertainty about the future. To fully grasp the meaning, let's break down the phrase into its two key components. Tense. This word describes a state of mental or emotional strain. It's the feeling you get when you're worried or stressed about something. Atmosphere. In this context, atmosphere refers to the mood or feeling that pervades a place or situation. When combined, tense atmosphere vividly captures the essence of a setting or scenario where stress, anxiety, or apprehension is palpable. 1. In literature and movies, a scene where characters are waiting for the results of a major event, creating a tense atmosphere filled with anticipation. 2. In real life, a family dinner where two members are not on speaking terms, making the overall mood uncomfortable and tense for everyone present. 3. In the workplace, before the announcement of major company news, employees might feel a tense atmosphere, speculating about potential changes or layoffs. The tense atmosphere in the room was palpable as the jury returned with the verdict. As the storm approached, a tense atmosphere took over the town, with everyone anxiously preparing for the worst. The meeting had a tense atmosphere after the disagreement between the two team leaders. Understanding the phrase, tense atmosphere, and how to use it correctly can greatly enhance your ability to describe situations with emotional depth and complexity. We hope this video has shed light on how to effectively use this phrase in your English conversations and writings. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, keep learning and expanding your English vocabulary.